Hello. I have this old lathe and the 3-jaw chuck was running out. That's pretty normal on old lathes as they wear. So I decided to fix it. And this is something that somebody with an old lathe, if it's running out. So you can see I'm running within a half a thousandths, which is plenty good. So I'm going to show how I managed to do this. If I can find my chuck wrench, but I got it. So this is how I achieve getting this chuck running in. I marked the jaw that I'm going to use every time when I chuck a part, because it does help. But I found out these springs come off a clutch, and I found out that if I put these springs in here, chuck. Now I put that in there so that I don't get my springs in too far, because if I get them in too far, they'll hit the grinder. But I can tap them in till they almost touch. Okay, that's pretty good right there. So now I've got the tension on the jaws with the spring, and I just turn the lathe on, turn my grinder on, and grind my jaws, and it worked out really well. Thanks for watching.